Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be giving you a tour of this Volkswagen Golf R-Line that we have in stock. This is the 2-litre TDI 150 PS DSG, finished in the stunning Moonstone Grey paint. This car comes with some fantastic additional extras, including your electric panoramic sunroof, your winter pack and your upgraded Sol Grey cloth upholstery. So we've got the R-Line across the front, adding those extra unique details to the car. We've also got your upgraded 18-inch wheels. Got your R-Line on the sides, and then we've also got your rear tinted glass, giving off that sleek design while also providing that extra bit of privacy for your passengers travelling in the back. This car's also covered just under 4,000 miles. So on the back we've got the new Volkswagen Golf badge, so to access the boot you just simply push the badge in and lift. And as you can see, we've got a generous boot space with your shopping hooks either side to prevent your shopping bags from falling. And then we've also got some extra space under here as well as space for a spare wheel. So into the rear you've got your luxury Sol Grey cloth upholstery, which looks amazing. Your passengers will be really impressed as they drive in luxury. You've got your pull-out armrest in the centre seat, and then we've also got your aircon down here and 2 USB ports to charge devices in the back. Then moving to the front, you've got your R&Boss front sport seats. Just gives off that luxury vibe, giving you that desired driving experience. Got your multi-function leather steering wheel. Then we also have your fantastic digital cockpit pro with customisable menus and information. It's got your driving data, your miles per hour, and then we've also got your DAB digital radio for all your music. Your volume's just at the bottom of the screen. And we've got your built-in sat-nav that will really help you plan your routes. You can also change your view from day to night. And going into App Connect, so you've got your wireless app connect to display your phone for your vehicle. And on your sound, you can play about with your sound if you're into your music. And then we've also got your ambient lighting. So you've got 30 customisable colours to choose from depending on how you feel. So just change elements around the car. And then on to assist. So this car does come with your driver alert system. Got your front assist for emergency braking. Got your dynamic road sign display. And you've got your adaptive cruise control, which is perfect for long motorway driving. And as you can see on the screen, we've got your front and rear parking sensors that you'll really benefit from when you're parking your vehicle. And we've also got your driving mode selectors. You've got your Eco Comfort Sport and Individual. Then here we can access your aircon controls, and then this car does also come with your winter pack, so you've got your front heated seats to keep you nice and warm in the colder weather. You've got your wireless phone charging, which is really useful. Then we've got your automatic gearbox with your start and stop function. It's got a really sleek design. Then moving around, we've got some cup holders, you've got some storage underneath your armrest. Then we've got the R embossed. And I'll just take you around the dash. It's got your touch sensitive automatic lights to make sure they're always on at the correct times, or your electric mirror and window controls. So finally, we've got your fantastic panoramic glass sunroof. Floods lots of natural light into the car. You just use the touch sensitive control forwards and back to open and close. Then we've also got your sun blind. So I really hope you love the car. If you would like any more information, then please give us a call. Thanks for watching.